Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a dotted line box in PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then select this slide and go to Insert menu. Then go Shape drop down menu and insert a box. Now go to Shape Format option, click this Shape Outline and click this white option, select 3pt or 4 by half pt. Now go to again go to Shape Outline, click this dashes arrow and select round dot. You can also change this dotted color like this. Go Shape Outline and select any color. Here you can see I make a dotted line box in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.